Hi guys, the last step of the website or the post that we're gonna create is gonna be to add schema markup. You know what is a schema markup? We have been discussing this one in class. However, I'm gonna add this article that is so important, specifically for the purpose the exam and you work as a SEO. Okay, how we're gonna do that the website make and do this kind of display? Well, for that purpose we are gonna add a specific type of coding. Imagine that this one is your post, this one is something that you have been working with during the course. For the purpose of adding schema markups to be this one faster, I'm just gonna add here in the top, in this part of the page, in the widget section, HTML. That part of the coding we are gonna add until the top of the website. Perfect. Now, when we have that one, we are gonna go through this page that I'm gonna put the URL on Figma. This one is the schema markup generator. What we are gonna need is this, but as I know that for some of the people it's kind of hard to coding, we are just gonna add here some parameters. For example, well, I have an article that is gonna be a blog posting, that is in my case is a post, that the only thing that I'm gonna do is to add a specific things here. For example, the first thing that I'm gonna add is the URL. Here is asking me for the URL. So I'm gonna go to my website and I'm gonna take this one. It's from here to here, not the preview or not the interrogation symbol. It's all of this one until the Nexus folder. I'm just gonna take this one. It's gonna be like this. I'm just gonna make this one a little faster for you. I'm just gonna put the title of my article. I'm gonna add a little description of the article. Image URL. What is this one? So basically the crawlers needs an image to display on the SERPs, right? So for that purpose you're gonna ask me, yes teacher, how I'm gonna have that URL? Basically all of the image that you have it here in WordPress has this one, the file URL. At this point my internet is not the best, so probably you're not gonna see it, but in your WordPress you're gonna see it. You just have to copy this file URL of the image that you wanted, like this. You copy this one and you paste this one. The author type, author name, publisher name can be the same one. The logo URL is the same process that we did it. This one is not necessary, it's gonna display by default. Date published and date modified if you modify the post. Whenever you have that one, you're gonna copy this one and just put it in the top of the website. That is here. HTML, paste it, and that's it. I'm gonna update it. Now for the process of testing this one, I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna take the same URL that we took previously, and I'm gonna validate that everything is working good. So I'm just gonna validate that the schema is working. In this purpose, we are gonna have this one, sorry it's in Spanish, which is gonna be in English or in your language. Just to let you know, it's gonna be this one in the left. We are just gonna test here our URL. And after when it's tested, it's gonna tell us if the schema markups or the rich results is already added in the web page or not. With this one is gonna help me to know here is detected 4 elements, valid 4 elements. If you have it like this one, everything is perfect and you are already validated the schema markup. So with the time your pages can look like this, or depending of the type of schema. Anyway, I'm gonna add this one to your Figma files.